Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're trying this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as chrome handles and chrome mirror caps. This 2021 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with a reversing system and a step to get up to it. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings as a door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black and brown leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our median hands-free options on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror on other cabin lighting. Looking for this 2021 F-150, you can see some 147,133 kilometers on it. As well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, messaging, application, setting, and features, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and our heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.